Hey, it's me, Dick Jr. I'm coming to you today. I'm going to work a video out here about this TC 95L Sony cassette recorder. Okay, this thing is from a high school, from the English department. It's old, so 1970s, early 80s probably. Anyway, the fast forward doesn't work. Got some other problems with it a little bit, and I just want to crack it open and look at it, see if I can fix it. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're gonna play around here with this thing. I know a guy that does electronics. If I mess it up, I guess maybe he can try to fix it, but I don't think I will. I'm pretty handy at stuff. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to show you a little footage of some of the stuff that it's doing here, so you have an idea why I'm cracking it open. Okay, it's me. I'm back with this recorder here, a little shaky video. I'm going to do it by hand. We're going to go ahead and insert this power plug. I'm just going to give you a quick look at it here. It's got 4 holes. It says AC, DC, 6 volt on it. Anyway, I'm going to plug that in. Okay, so now we are plugged in. I've got it plugged in up here on a power supply. Use power surge. Okay, here's the eject button. So there's your thing. Here is a cassette tape. Okay, I'm going to pop it in there. Okay, cassette tape's in. Close the door. And I'm going to push play. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. It is spinning. You can see it.
1, 2, 3.
Can you hear it? That's me. Okay. Now I'm going to rewind it. There it goes. You can see the counter. Started to go back. It rewound. But the problem is this. I'm going to hit fast forward Q. See the counter? No. Nothing, right? Stop. So I'm going to open it up, eject, and I'm going to push this tape back in here. I'm going to show you. You can play it. You can see it moving. You can stop it. You can rewind it. Okay. But you cannot fast forward it. So that's why I'm going to take it apart. Plus I'm going to just try to clean some of the stuff in there with alcohol and get the heads clean and the rubber wheels and the pins and everything in it. So that's what I'm having a problem with. I want to use this thing, but as you can hear, you see what I mean? So the volume is really crunchy, and the tone. And anyway, I'm gonna clean it up, try to. So that's what this video is gonna be about. Okay, so here we are. I remove the battery cover. There's a screw here, here, and here. This here are for rubber feet. Got those right here, the rubber grommets. Okay, so then I took all those loose. This panel comes off, and we have handles that are screwed on here on each side with this bar screwed into it. Well, I removed that whole system, set it aside for now. Okay, I haven't taken these off. This is very tight right here, this connection on here for this ground wire. Very tight. These I haven't tried yet. I want to remove that. But this seems very loose and not flexible. This belt here. I think that's probably the problem. I'm going to check it out. I just wanted to show you how far I got. The problem is you can't get the belt off. This bracket here to the center of the motor, or to the center of this flywheel, whatever. I think this is a motor and that's a flywheel. But it's connected to this bracket, so you have to take, I believe, this off. I'm going to try to figure it out before I take anything else apart. I don't want to cause any problems, but I think I need to change this belt. I think that's probably the main problem, because it only has one motor in it. It goes one direction, I believe. Well, maybe not. Looks like there's 2 motors. There's another one down here. So could be that one too. So I'll just keep checking. I just wanted to show you how far I was. Okay, I just wanted to show you. I put this thing back together what I ended up doing is something I used to do with the VCRs back in the late 90s and whatever. But the belt was dried out and kind of stretched out and not very pliable, but still usable. It was still working somewhat, I could tell. So I dipped my finger in Vaseline. And when I say dipped, I mean I actually just touched it, and then you could see it shining. You can still see a little bit of it, but I mean it's just enough to make my fingers shine. And then I pulled that belt through my fingers manually 3-4 times. Then I worked the tape back and forth. But I want you to see, because before we didn't have any fast forward. See it going? See the tape counter? Okay. Stop. Rewind. See it going? See our tape counter? Stop. So, it's working again. The volume knob is still kind of scratchy, but so I put it back together and I'm going to leave it alone and see how long that little bit of Vaseline on that rubber belt takes. But for all intents and purposes, it's working. Now I'm going to clean the heads on this thing, and I'm going to start using it for listening to some tapes and stuff. I use the other one for dictation. I want to use this one for maybe listening to radio shows on tape, things like that. Anyway, that's what I ended up doing with this thing, and now it works just fine. So that's the end of the video. I didn't really prepare anything. I just put a little dab of Vaseline on my fingers and ran it across that dry black belt back in there, and it seems to work just fine now. So there you go.